this is me just flipping to, other tickers and stuff off the watch list. I mean, these things are on the watch list, bro. Again, the watch list costs less than a Starbucks drink. Okay? But you get it for the whole month. Right? The drinks at Starbucks cost like, I don't know, $10, $12, depending on what you get. What's the better value? Look, this thing's been on the watch list for days, bro. For over a week. Look where it ran from, bro. 60 cents up to $6.20, bro. I mean, 1,000 shares, bro, at what, 60 cents? What is that? $600? What to make 6,000? Bro, there goes your Starbucks drinks for the whole year, bro. Man, bro, we got to put things in perspective. Just watching this thing, GNS, Genius Group. I believe this thing got so bullish because they're actually investigating some naked shorting. So, very interesting. And here's Tesla. And go back and look at Tesla real quick. I'll be curious to see what happened to Genius Group. I'm going to go back and check out the charts later. Maybe I'll try to jump back on and do something for Power Hour. But look at Tesla, bro. Now, this thing was had some action during pre-market. I mean, Tesla's always going to have action. It's like very heavily traded ticker. But when you're seeing, like, off the open, we try to bounce, but can't go any higher, and you're seeing all these wicks. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, especially this long wick reaching up and rejecting off the 120, followed by a doja candle, but bearish, and followed by this bearish thing right here, like long wick on top, followed by just a nasty rejection and sell off. And then also this candle is opening below the previous candle with a long wick on top, which lets you know even after they sold into this, it dumped. This caused downward pressure on the price action. New candle opened below the previous candle and they sold into that. So all of that is bearish. And Tesla is tech. That's looking like another elevating factor that supports my thesis and bias, which is downside action. And this thing right here, I mean, just something off the watch list. I don't really know much about it, but I'm just scrolling through stuff that has news or, has volume, runners and movers, or, tickers with high implied volatility, stuff like that. All this stuff's on the watch list. Here's another one. Look at this thing. Been on the watch list. Yeah, it's a small cap. It's a penny stock. I don't really trade them that much, but I mean, not to say I can't, and not to say that there's not money to be made on them, because look at this thing. Just qualifying through and through as a multi-day runner. Look, proof of concept off the open, bullish, profit taking. After the profit taking cycle was over, it held this level, continued higher, profit taking, held this level again, ran up, and it's just consistently putting in higher lows. But right here, I mean, you see that, and then if you're still in it at this point, when we come up here and you're seeing these wicks, you probably know it's time to go ahead and take most of it off the table if you're playing that. You can see me putting in the levels, and basically what I'm doing right here is, look, we came up here, rejected, sold off, came back up here, what ran into some resistance, was able to break above it. Resistance turned into support for a second, then we broke back down, came back down here, ran up. But notice, once we hit this resistance up here and sold off, we came back down to this level, same level. So that's why you see me putting that level there. And basically my thinking is, okay, if we hold this level and don't break down, then we could possibly see more continuation to the upside on it. But only if we hold this level. That's why you see me put that there. And again, this is just, me doing technical analysis on the fly. Again, I can't stress this enough. Your strongest levels are going to come off your daily chart. I mean, HLBZ, Hellbiz, and here's BBBY. I got in this thing when it was like down at $1. Like whenever Michael Cohen sent out his cryptic tweet. We already knew that there was going to be some squeeze action. So I got in that thing. Actually, could have made more on the trade, but when it, squeezed up to whatever it squeezed up to, like $6 or something, I overslept. So wasn't able to get out at max gains, but was still able to have it be a green trade.